In this video, I'll show you how to change LinkedIn language to English. If your LinkedIn account is currently showing another language and you want the platform to appear in English, you can change that in a few simple steps. This affects the LinkedIn interface, which means things like menus, buttons, settings, and system labels. It does not automatically change the language of posts, comments, or profile text written by members. To change LinkedIn to English on desktop, sign in to your account and open Settings and Privacy. Look for the language option in your account or Preferences area. Once you find it, select English from the available languages and save the change. In some cases, LinkedIn may refresh right away and switch the interface immediately. After the change is applied, you should see LinkedIn's main navigation. Add to notifications, profile labels, and settings in English. That makes the platform easier to use if English is your preferred language. If you're using the LinkedIn mobile app, the process can be a little different. On some devices, the app follows your phone's language settings instead of offering a separate in-app language menu. So if the app isn't showing English, open your phone settings and check whether your device lets you change the language for LinkedIn specifically. If not, changing your device language to English may also update the LinkedIn app. Now here's something important to understand. Changing the LinkedIn interface language is not the same thing as changing your profile language. Your profile headline, about section, and experience details stay exactly as you wrote them unless you edit them yourself. So if your profile content is written in another language, switching LinkedIn to English won't automatically translate it. This is useful because it gives you control. You can use LinkedIn's menus in English while still keeping your profile content in the language that makes the most sense for your audience. So again, if you want to change LinkedIn language to English, go into your language settings on desktop or check your phone's app. Language settings on mobile, choose English, and save the update. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.